everyone. So you're thinking about getting your driver's license here in Papua New Guinea? Yeah, it can feel like a pretty winding road, right? Well, today we're going to straighten all that out for you. We'll break down the entire process from the very beginning to the very end.
Look, if you're feeling a bit confused about how to get a PNG driver's license, you're definitely not alone. It seems like there's all sorts of information scattered everywhere. But don't you worry. Our whole goal here is to cut right through that confusion and give you a super clear, straightforward path to follow.
So we've broken this down into 5 simple sections. First, what you need to get started. Then we'll talk about the learner's permit. After that, how you're actually going to learn to drive. Then the big one, the driving test. And finally, getting that official license in your hand. Easy.
Okay, let's dive right into section 1. Before you even think about hopping into a car for a lesson, there are a few boxes you've got to tick first.
First up, age. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. Some places say you need to be 16, others say 18. Honestly, your best bet is to just check directly with the Road Traffic Authority, the RTA, to get the final word on that. Beyond age, you'll need some valid ID, like a national ID or passport. You've got to be medically fit, and yep, you need to pass an eye test. Okay, so you've got all those basics covered? Awesome. Now it's time for your first official step. We're talking about getting that learner's permit and putting on your L plates.
The process here is actually pretty straightforward. First, you need the application form. You can usually find it on the RTA website or just pop into an office to grab one. Now, here's a really important bit. You need someone who already has a driver's license to witness and sign it for you. After that, go get your eye test done. That'll cost you around 50 kina. And last, you take all your paperwork, head to an MVAL office, and pay the permit fee. And yeah, speaking of fees, you'll want to be ready for something in this ballpark. From what we've seen, the learner's permit fee is going to be somewhere between 50 and 100 kina. Oh, and a little pro tip. A lot of these offices, like MVIL, don't take cash anymore, so make sure you've got a card with you to pay. Okay, this next part trips a lot of people up, so let's make it super clear. You're going to be dealing with 2 main groups, the RTA and MVIL. Think of it like this. The RTA, the Road Traffic Authority, they're the ones who make the rules and give you the actual test. Then you have MVIL, Motor Vehicle Insurance Limited. That's where you go to pay for stuff and get the actual plastic card, both your permit and your final license. All right, you've got your learner's permit in your pocket. Yes. Now for the really fun part, learning how to drive. And you've basically got 2 main ways you can go about this. So option A, you can learn with a friend or a family member who's already licensed. This is definitely the cheaper way to do it, and you can be more flexible with your schedule. The only thing is, it might take a bit longer, and your auntie or uncle might not know exactly what the RTA examiners are looking for. Then you have option B, a professional driving school. It's going to cost you more, for sure, but you get an expert instructor, and they usually help you with the whole process, even booking your test. And really, that's the big selling point for going with a pro. All the info we found says the same thing. If you want to get your license as fast as possible, a driving school is the way to go. Seriously, some people get it all done in just a couple of weeks this way. But yeah, let's talk about the cost, because you can see the difference is pretty huge. If you do it on your own, you're just paying the basic fees, which add up to maybe a couple hundred kina. A full package from a driving school, though, that's a much bigger investment, usually somewhere between 800 and 1,500 kina. All right, deep breaths. This is the big one. The final challenge before you're officially a licensed driver. We're talking about the driving test. Let's break down exactly what you need to do to pass it. So first things first, you gotta pay the test fee. It's about 100 kina, and you do that at a finance department, like at Vlupendi House. Hold on to that receipt. Take it over to the traffic office. In Port Moresby, that's the one in Barocco, and that's where you'll book your test date. Then, on the big day, you'll have 2 parts, a little written test on the road rules, and of course, the practical driving test with the examiner sitting right next to you. You might hear some driving instructors talk about this fast RTA route over at Gordon's, and yeah, the drive itself might only last 5 or 10 minutes, but don't let that fool you. That examiner is watching everything. Every mirror check, every turn, how smoothly you're driving, everything. And that's why you have got to master the fundamentals. Seriously, look at this list. These are the most common reasons people fail. It's always the little things, isn't it? Forgetting to use your indicators, a bad reverse park, not checking your mirrors. Examiners are trained to catch this stuff. You need to practice these things so much that you don't even have to think about them. Yes, you did it. You passed the test. Congratulations. Now for the best part, the victory lap. Let's go get that official license. Okay, so you take that form that says you passed and you head back to an MVIL office. When you get to the little ticket machine, make sure you choose the driver's license or DL option. You'll pay one last fee, somewhere between 70 and 200 kina. They'll snap your photo, and then you just wait for them to call your name. And that's when they hand you your brand new license. How cool is that?
And that is it. You are officially a licensed driver in Papua New Guinea. You made it through all the paperwork, all the practice, and the big test. So the only question left is, where will your new license take you? Go on. The road is yours. Just be sure to drive safe out there.